Hi, my name is Emma. Hello. My name is Emmer. I am 10 years old. I am a girl. I live in a small town. My town is very beautiful. There are many trees and flowers in my town. I love my town. I live with my family. My family is small. There are 4 people in my family. My father's name is John. He is 40 years old. He is a doctor. My mother's name is Sarah. She is 38 years old. She is a teacher. I have one brother. His name is Jack. Jack is 8 years old. He is very funny. I love my family. I go to school every day. My school is big. It has many classrooms. My classroom is on the 2nd floor. My teacher's name is Mrs. Brown. She is very kind. She teaches us English. I like English. It is my favorite subject. I also like math, but sometimes it is hard. I have many friends at school. My best friend's name is Lily. Lily sits next to me in class. She is very smart. We play together during the break. We like to play hide and seek. It is so much fun. After school, I go home. At home, I do my homework. My homework is not very hard. After homework, I like to read books. I have many books in my room. My favorite book is about animals. I love animals. My favorite animal is a dog. I have a dog. His name is Max. Max is very cute. He is brown and white. He likes to play with a ball. I take Max for a walk every evening. On weekends, I do many things. On Saturday morning, I clean my room. My room is small but very nice. I have a bed, a desk, and a chair in my room. I also have a big window. I can see the garden from my window. In the garden, there are flowers and a small tree. In the afternoon, I go to the park with my family. The park is near our house. In the park, there is a playground. My brother and I like to play on the swings and the slide. My parents sit on a bench and talk. Sometimes we have ice cream. My favorite ice cream is chocolate. On Sunday, we go to visit my grandparents. My grandparents live in a village. Their house is very big. They have a farm. On the farm, there are cows, chickens, and a horse. I like to feed the chickens. My brother likes to ride the horse. The horse's name is Star. Star is very friendly. At night, we have dinner together. My mother cooks very well. My favorite food is pizza. My mother makes the best pizza. After dinner, we watch TV. My favorite show is about animals. I like to learn about lions, tigers, and elephants. Before bed, I brush my teeth. Then, I read a storybook. My father tells me a bedtime story. I like his stories. They are very funny. After the story, I say, "Good night," and go to sleep. I have many dreams. Sometimes I dream about flying. Sometimes I dream about my dog, Max. My dreams are always happy. My hobbies have many hobbies. My first hobby is drawing. I like to draw pictures of animals, flowers, and houses. I use crayons and pencils to draw. My mother says my drawings are very nice. My second hobby is singing. I like to sing songs. My favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I sing it every day. My brother also likes to sing. We sing together sometimes. My third hobby is playing games. I like to play board games with my family. My favorite game is chess. My father teaches me how to play chess. He is very good at it. I also like to play outside. I ride my bicycle in the park. My bicycle is pink. It has a basket. I put my doll in the basket and ride around. My dreams when I grow up, I want to be a teacher. I want to teach English. I like English very much. I want to help children learn English. I think it is a very good job. I also want to travel. I want to see many places. I want to go to the beach. I like the sea. I also want to see big cities. I want to see New York and London. My favorite things. Have many favorite things. My favorite color is blue. I like blue because it is the color of the sky. My favorite food is pizza. I like pizza with cheese and tomatoes. My favorite drink is orange juice. It is very sweet. My favorite season is summer. In summer, the weather is hot. I can swim in the pool. I can also eat ice cream. My favorite holiday is Christmas. At Christmas, we have a big tree in the house. We put lights and decorations on the tree. My brother and I get presents. Last Christmas, I got a doll. I like my doll very much. Why I am happy because I have a good family. My parents love me. My brother plays with me. I am also happy because I have good friends. My friends are kind and funny. I am happy because I can go to school. I like to learn new things. I am happy because I have hobbies. I can draw, sing, and play. Life is very good. I am happy every day.